What is ICT? ICT, or Information and Communications Technology, it is a study or business developing and using technology to process information and aid communications. For examples, voice conversations, email, processing business, data via computer applications, and etc.
What makes ICT important? A world without ICT means you didn't have any information and you don't know the events that are occurring. Random experiments shows that people are now engaging in ICT like it's part of life. Uses of ICT are increasing day by day since ICT is one of the economic development pillars to gain national competitive advantage.
Of the society, my life, and the professional tracks. ICT plays a major role in my life, society, and professional tracks. It helps us individuals, businesses, and other organizations disseminate or use for information. It makes communication faster and much easier for all of us with the help of gadgets, computers, and other means of communication. We are living in a globalized country, we are evolving, and we are progressing. Humans are good at inventing and making a way for all things.
Emails, instant messaging, and video conferences are all new ways people communicate in our everyday lives. These, in turn, impact the economy.
It can improve the quality of human life because it can be used as a learning and education media. The uses of ICT to support broader educational aims, such as positive dispositions towards learning, enhanced presentation of work, problem solving, and investigative approaches,